Imagine building an entire fitness brand using just one AI tool. In this video, I'll show you how I built it all with Lovart. To start, I give Lovart some context instead of generating random designs. I define the brand, upload a few visual references, and provide the official color palette to keep everything consistent. The results are seriously impressive. Next, I generate a professional brand guideline that documents the logo construction, safe areas, and grid system. With the identity complete, it's time to see it in action. I create apparel one piece at a time, including t-shirts, hoodies, and shorts. Then I expand the collection with accessories like a shaker bottle, water bottle, gym bag, shopping bag, and hang tag. With the brand established, I move on to business cards and a custom smartwatch interface, ensuring everything feels cohesive. Next, I design a series of social media posts, from product launches and promotions to athlete features and motivational content. Every post follows the same visual style, giving the brand a consistent and polished look. Next, I ask Lovart to design a premium landing page for Vortex Athletics. Lovart creates a clean, modern landing page that stays true to the brand identity we've established. From the hero section to the footer, everything feels visually connected and professionally designed. Next, I take a few of the generated designs and turn them into a cinematic brand commercial. Since everything follows the same visual style, the video feels like a natural extension of the brand. If you want to streamline your branding workflow without sacrificing creativity, Lovart is definitely worth checking out. Want to try Lovart? Check out the link in the description below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.